Hello everyone, I am Jagan. I have Aman with me. We are from Engage One Delivery Audit team. Engage One Delivery Audit is an enterprise level application which is available both on premises and on demand. All of our SAP customers are hosted in our on demand instance in AWS. AWS it is a Amazon Web Services. Engage One Delivery Audit core functionality is to track physical communication.
Hi everyone. So we came up with an idea of building a mobile app for engagement delivery audit, and that's what our hack is. Here are some of the key problems that our mobile app will solve that earlier had our customers tear their hair apart. Problem number 1 is a customer service representative when on coffee break receives an inquiry from an internal or external clients had to rush back to his desk, launch the web app and then satisfy the query. Now, with the help of this mobile app, they can just launch the app in the mobile and can easily satisfy the query. So it's anytime, anywhere. Problem number 2, a customer do not get to know whether the jobs they have sent have processed successfully or failed. At time they get to know it very late, only when the damage is already done. Now with this mobile app, they will get real-time notification of job success or failure, so they can take corrective measures and save all the hassles. Problem 3 is because of the sheer volume of data in on-demand instance, some of the reports take lot of time to generate. Customer need to log in and keep checking again and again to see if the report has generated successfully or has failed. With our engagement delivery audit mobile app, they will get the instant notification of availability of report once generated successfully. They can then go and open the report from the mobile app itself. So now we are going to show the mobile app which we have developed in Xamarin. We are running it through an emulator. So first screen is the login screen. Again, please go ahead. So first user will enter the credential that will be authorized according to our current Mail 360 web APIs. Once successfully logged in, he will see all these options. First option is track, where user can track any mail piece by entering the customer identifier. The customer identifier can be a mobile number, credit card, or any identifier for a customer. Once it will give all the information regarding that mail piece, when it was delivered, what is the current location, and what is the expected date, and all the information regarding that customer. Second use case is the report execution, where user can generate the reports for a particular job. First he need to search that report by entering the report name in the text box. Here he can see all the details of the report and he can execute the report. Once the report is successfully executed, he will get a notification, and once the user clicks on that report, he will be shown with all the information regarding that job. That's all we have for our mobile app.